Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us. Jennifer, I'm hungry.
Me too. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Perfect, because today's lesson is about food.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Jennifer and Levent. Today, we're going to learn about food and drinks.
And how to say what you like and don't like.
I'm excited.
Let's learn some delicious vocabulary. First, let's learn some common foods.
Food number 1. Pizza.
Pizza. Everyone knows pizza.
Repeat. Pizza.
I like pizza. Do you like pizza? Food number 2. Bread.
Bread is very common. We eat it with breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Repeat. Bread.
I eat bread every morning.
Food number 3. Rice.
Rice is very popular around the world.
Repeat. Rice.
I like rice with chicken.
Food number 4. Chicken.
Chicken is a type of meat. It's very popular.
Repeat. Chicken.
I like chicken. Food number 5. Fish.
Fish is healthy and delicious.
Repeat. Fish.
Some people like fish, some people don't. Food number 6. Vegetables.
Vegetables are healthy, like tomato, carrot, potato.
Repeat. Vegetables.
I like vegetables.
Food number 7. Fruit.
Fruit is sweet and healthy, like apple, banana, orange.
Repeat. Fruit.
I eat fruits every day. Now let's learn about drinks.
Drink number 1. Water.
Water is the most important drink.
Repeat. Water.
I drink water every day.
Drink number 2. Coffee.
Coffee is very popular in the morning.
Repeat. Coffee.
I drink coffee every morning.
Drink number 3. Tea.
Tea is a warm drink. Very popular.
Repeat. Tea.
I like tea.
Both tea and coffee are also very popular as cold drinks, too.
Iced tea and iced coffee? Yum.
Drink number 4. Juice.
Juice is made from fruit. Orange juice, apple juice.
Repeat. Juice.
I like orange juice.
Drink number 5. Milk.
Milk is white and comes from cows.
Repeat. Milk.
I drink milk with my breakfast.
Great. Now you know food and drinks.
Now let's learn how to say what you like and don't like.
To say you like something, use I like.
For example, I like pizza.
I like rice.
I like coffee.
Repeat, I like.
To say you don't like something, use I don't like.
For example, I don't like fish.
I don't like tea.
I don't like vegetables. Just joking. I do like vegetables.
Repeat, I don't like.
If you really like something, use I love.
Love is stronger than like.
For example, I love pizza.
I love chocolate.
Repeat, I love.
What do you like?
I like pizza and chicken. What about you?
I like fish and rice.
Oh, I don't like fish.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
Let's repeat that slowly.
What do you like?
I like pizza and chicken. What about you?
I like fish and rice.
Ooh, I don't like fish.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
I'm hungry.
Me too. What do you want to eat?
I want pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Great. Let's eat pizza. Let's repeat that slowly. I'm hungry.
Me too. What do you want to eat?
I want pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Great. Let's eat pizza. Here are some additional phrases.
You can also say,
I'm hungry when you want to eat.
Repeat. I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty when you want to drink.
Repeat. I'm thirsty.
These are very useful.
Let's try them in some conversations.
I'm hungry.
Me too. What do you want to eat?
I want pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Great. Let's eat pizza.
Let's repeat that slowly. I'm hungry.
Me too. What do you want to eat?
I want pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Great. Let's eat pizza.
I'm thirsty. Do you want water?
No, thank you. I want coffee.
Oh, you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
I prefer tea. Let's practice.
I blank pizza. Like or don't like?
You choose. I like pizza or I don't like pizza.
I'm blank. I want to eat.
What word?
The answer is I'm hungry. I'm blank. I want a drink. What word?
The answer is I'm thirsty.
Now tell us, what do you like?
Answer out loud.
Do you like pizza? Say, yes, I like pizza. Or, no, I don't like pizza.
Do you like rice?
Do you like fish?
Do you like coffee?
Do you like tea?
Great job. Excellent work today.
Today you learned about food and drinks.
You learned 7 foods: pizza, bread, rice, chicken, fish, vegetables, fruit.
And you learned how to say, I like. I don't like. I love. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty.
Practice with your friends. Ask, what do you like?
In the next episode, we're going to a restaurant.
We'll learn how to order food in English.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And comment below. Tell us, what's your favorite food?
See you next time.
Keep learning English.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.